Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to What's for Dinner. This video I have taken over a couple of weeks because we still have our traditional like chicken and rice dishes and things like that. So I tried to show you guys a few different frugal ideas and things that we do. So first up, I did make this chicken curry. It's a Japanese curry. I got a packet on clearance for like $1 at Woolworths and we had it the next day. I just pre-cooked it. So that was really delicious. I'll definitely be putting that into the recipe binder. Then the next night we are having some crumbed fish because I got it as a markdown. Of course I did. And we're just going to have some mashed potatoes and some veggies on the side. There's the fish. And the children are just going to have the chicken pops with mash and veg. I decided to make a dessert this evening, so we're just having chocolate brownies. I got this box on clearance for $2 from Coles. I haven't been able to find any since, unfortunately, but the packet definitely does not make 50 brownies. We're lucky to get 8 out of one packet, so we love brownies, what can I say? As well as the dinner tonight, I am making a gravy and I just kind of make it up as I go, and I make it in the microwave as well. So it got a little bit thicker than this, but yeah, the children really love gravy over the mashed potato. Next we have a stir fry from some noodles that we got marked down. Of course we did. Some shredded carrot that I had in the freezer, and I grabbed this jar of soy and garlic cinnamon sauce just to give it a go at Coles. It's really good. So yeah, it was a quick and simple meal. It's what we like. I got this beef pie marked down, $4.75. Super happy with that. So we just had with mash and veg, and we only had half because it was just for hubby and I. So we had the other half for lunch, which was in the What's for Lunch, and the children have just had dim sims with mash and veg on the side. We love chicken parmesanas in this house, so when I got 2 massive big ones like this on clearance, I knew what to do with them. I cut them each in half because they were absolutely massive, but they were still enjoyed. And then here is just one of the traditional dinners that we have: chicken with sweet and sour rice. I got the chicken on clearance for $10 at Coles, so I cut it all up and then put it in here. My daughter complained there wasn't enough pineapple, so I just added in a little bit extra that we had from pizzas earlier in the week. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've really enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorite meal is for dinner. I so appreciate your time, and I'll see you next time. Bye.